This time on ALBRIGHT QUEST,
we go to Davenport Beach.
Davenport Beach is located on the Pacific coast off of Highway 1 in the small town of Davenport. It is about 10 miles north of Santa Cruz.
Okay guys, what did we just get?
Boogie board.
Oh yeah?
Boogie board.
Have you ever used a boogie board before?
No.
Yeah, you're gonna have to hold it. You got it, buddy? Think you can get it? Hold on, don't let it fly away.
There is a free parking lot on the ocean side of Highway 1 at Ocean Street, but come early because it can fill up fast. To get to the beach, you will need to make a bit of a trek. There are some rocks to climb down and an old railroad to cross. There are trails that will lead you down to the beach.
Caution, cliff ahead. Cliff ahead.
Ooh, wow.
The boogie board was invented by a California man named Tom Morey in 1971. He was an engineer, an avid surfer, and a musician. The St. Vincent Tunnel at Davenport Beach is where the St. Vincent Creek empties into the Pacific Ocean. It was built in 1906.
The temperature in Davenport during the summer ranges from the 70s to the 80s. However, because it is right off the Pacific coast, it gets quite windy and the ocean water is typically in the 50s. The sand wasn't the softest.
Yeah, the sand wasn't soft like other beaches that we've been to before. It was more of a rocky kind of sand.
They said, son, let me tell you a story. I was young, I had dreams of glory. Oh, these mistakes seem to come like a flood. Until my days, they were done. But I don't wanna feel like wishful thinking, pick myself up.
Davenport Beach is well known for the Davenport craft. Many photographers come here to try to capture its beauty.
my favorite thing about Davenport Beach is the rock formation of the cliffs. It's just beautiful.
I see run, let it shine that glory.
here.
I took video of it. Yeah? Get up.
Saw your day.
Little fat.
Your day is just begun. You don't have to feel like wishful thinking. Pick yourself up and move to the beat of your heart and soul. Sing a song for the dreamer.
Our kids enjoy exploring and discovering new things, especially if it has to do with animals. They remind us that some of the best things in life are free.
I'm waiting for you.
There are many kinds of sea anemones. The majority are harmless, but some can be toxic and cause injury. Sea anemones eat crab, shrimp, and other small fish.
Cool fact from the Monterey Bay Aquarium: when purple sea urchins are eaten frequently by sea otters, their bones and teeth turn sea urchin purple.
So there were some good waves that were coming in and making some good size splashes. Well, it's pretty cool. High up there.
If you have not been to Davenport Beach, we recommend you go and take a day to explore its beauty. You will be amazed by the magnificent cliffs and bluffs, along with the crashing waves of the Pacific Ocean. And just like any beach day, it seems to end too soon. Before you know it, it is time to go home. Thank you for watching our video. Join us next time as we explore Sunset Beach. The kids play with ocean bubbles, we find some cool ocean creatures, and try surf fishing for the first time.
Look at these pretty flowers.
Please like and give us a thumbs up.
Please subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Make sure you hit the notification bell.
Please share this video and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.